Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. J Custom. What's going on? Nice day today. So anyway, I'm not gonna bore you with too much stuff. So I'm working on my sister's car, and what I'm doing is, let me just show you. So my plan is to replace this little cover here. Hopefully I can do it, and replace this cover here. So let me show you what I'm replacing with. Alright guys, so this is the part that I bought on Amazon. That's the cover for the armrest. This one is for the armrest and this one is for the center console. And what I think you need is a soldered screwdriver, and you will also need this. I will get another video of what other stuff I need, but these are definitely some of the stuff you'll need. This is like heavy duty glue so it can stay, and this comes with this trim removal panel. So let's go to work. To remove this center armrest, it should be fairly easy. Open it up right here. As you can see, there's a bunch of screws right there, and that's really all it should be. So all you need, screwdriver. The back should pop off or slide off. So the way I'm taking this off, flathead screwdriver, just push it to the side, pop it out, pop out on the other side as well. There you go. So this big part comes off, put it to the side. Now I got these screws here. Switch on my screwdriver. Okay, and this whole piece comes off. So now, as you can see, this is all stapled. So I have to figure how I'm gonna get this done. Well, let's take it out and see what we can do to it. Okay. So I'm just using a screwdriver to pop the staples out. Okay, here are all the staples I took out. I don't know if the car came with it though, but I want to say that someone redid it and they stapled it. Anyway, so here it is. So let's take this cover off. Take it off. This is still good, still patty. Alright, let's go get the other stuff. Show you. Here it is. New cover. Let's make sure it fits. Yeah. Fits. Okay guys, so this is what I'm gonna use. Bought it on Amazon. So I'm gonna put some, some over here on top of this, and over here let's put some adhesive on this leather. Alright, let's try to make this stick properly. Ooh. Basically work this thing in. Okay, let's roll it. Alright guys, I gotta show you the progress so far. So here what I'm doing, cutting this up and gluing it with the adhesive. So it is, I gotta finish this part up here. This is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna get the wrinkles out. There you go, looking really good. Let's keep going. Okay, put some glue on the last piece over here and then we can probably put the cover back. Alright, let's finish the last piece. Smooth it out. More here. Alright guys, what do you think? Not bad, right? Not too shabby. There you go. I think I did a pretty good job. Now we can put this back. I think it goes like this. Go. Okay, let's try to put it back in the car. Alright guys, let's put this boy back. So the way it goes, see the bracket and this, I get married up to like that. You put it up like that. Let me show you something. So you got these two guys line up into these holes right here where my fingers are. And then you put the screws back, so it's hard to do one-handed. Let me put the camera down. Alright. Now, put the screws back. Okay. Then, this big cover goes here. Push it a bit so it can clip. There we go. And put the screws back. There you go, boys. Look how nice that looks. See, almost didn't know it's new. Alright, let's go to the door handle now. Alright guys, to take out the door panel, I believe there's a screw right here. I'm gonna have to take this off. There's a screw right here. And there might be one right here, I'm not sure yet. And then everything else is little clips. So let me start taking things apart and then see what else I need to do. All right. Correction, there are 2 screws right here. clip removal tool. Get your clip removal tool. Find a spot. Okay. Alright guys, I have to show you how to take this thing off. It's a little complicated one. So normally before you remove the door panel, it'll be easier because this is held on by clip. So it's like that. Just find a hole, pop it off with your clip removal tool. When you take this off, hold on. So there's two connections. You got this one, it's just a little tab. You got that one. So this one is a little tricky. So the way it works, you have to push it up. You gotta push this tab right here on my fingers, push down, pull out, and then it comes out. See, there you go. So now I gotta try to take the latches off. There's a connection right here and one right there. Okay guys, I got it. So this is just a clip on this. Let me show you real quick. I'm gonna try to show you. So this, see this right here, it's just a little push tab. It clips onto here, this door handle, and that goes into this hole. So I will show you. So it goes like that. You see how it is? It goes like that. So you have to kind of, so this goes into this hole here, and then you clip it. I'll show you when I put it back. So it's easy. Well, not easy, but I'll show you. Alright guys, so to take this out, you flip it. There are 3 screws right here that are holding it. So let's take them out. Put these on. I don't know if you could see where my screw here, there's like a push clip right here. There's a bunch right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's another one back here. So I should be able to just push this up this way and then put it out. Alright, trying to do it. I think I may need my panel removal tool. Be right back. Let's give it a try. I should be able to push. Oh yeah, it does. It works. Push it up. Still. What else? Oh, okay. Alright, it's out. Let's work on this now. Yeah, it's glued too, as you can see. Alright, let's work on this now. Okay, so this is glue, as you could see. Yeah, real foam. Alright, we should be able to peel it off. See if I can cut a little piece of this and put it over this so she has a little bit more cushion over here, because it looks like that's where she used the most. Let's cut just a piece of it here. Just a little piece right here. Give it a little bit more cushion. It should help a lot, I think. Alright, let's glue this right in here, and then we're gonna put the other stuff on there. Actually, before I do that, Let's test it. It's gonna work. Let's glue this piece first. Just so I don't put the glue on my hand. Just put it right here. See, here it is. Just a little extra protection. Now, put some adhesive in here. Now, just trying to line it up. Here's the final. I have to fix this a little bit. So here's the final how it look. Now let's put it back into the door panel. All right. So you got to clip these two in. That's where the screws go, and then these just snap in. So you put in like that. That's it. Now we'll put the screws back here. Okay, done. Let's go put it back in the car. Alright guys, now putting the door back together. You gotta be careful with these. So this guy goes right in here. You see my hand? Okay, that's it. And this one, it goes in the bottom. So this tip, there's a hole right here. You put it in the hole. So it goes like that. Oop. Like this, and then you turn this black piece around. Then you gotta move this clip in here and swivel this so it doesn't move. Same for this other one. Make sure it's in the hole. Nope, hold on. I have to swivel this thing out. Make sure it's in the hole right here and swivel this thing out to lock it in place. Alright, so let me show you again. So this black piece, let me show you how it looks. See? Right guys, so here what it looks like. So this clips in that, and then you put the silver piece in first and the black end just swivel like that. And then same for this black piece. I have to redo this one. See how this one is? So you put the cable in first and this gets swivel and lock it. Same for this one, so I need to take it out and do it properly. Okay, now let's start connecting everything and put the door panel back. So first you gotta connect this guy back, and these wires get fed through here like that. Put the door panel back. Okay, so don't forget to feed these two, because they get connected to this guy right here. So now all you have to do is pop this in, because they're pop clip. Put the camera down now. Now put this guy back. First connection. Okay, when you're putting this back, it goes like this. You connect to here. Oop, I got it backward. No, that's right. Goes like that. Push it in. Oop, hold on. Push it in, and this will clip this way. So let me show you real quick. Once you put the cable in there, you push it in, and this clip is gonna go down, and this will lock it. So watch. See, locked. Now let's put this back. When you're putting this back, you have to push it, lift it up, and then slide it down, and everything should just clip in. That's it. There's 2 screws up top here. And then the long screw goes beneath here. So here's the 2 screws and the 3rd one. So this little cover, so it has a little clip in the bottom. You put it like that, and then you push up, and it locks. Okay, after you put the door panel back, make sure you put this cover back. It's a clip cover, so it has 2 tabs here that clip right here, so it goes down like that. So I'll show you. So like that, and then push up. That's it. All right, door panel is installed. Done. Final project. And here's the other one. Project is done. All right, guys, this one is all done. So hopefully this helped you guys take the door panel out. If you have any issues, comment, just let me know. And we are done. So until the next time, peace.